Hey, yo. Oh, buddy leaving food out. Really? That chef guy? Mm-hmm. Little piece of cheese. I'm messing with it. The guy who's always chasing us and trying to kill us? My boy done turned a leaf. We up. Where'd he leave it at? He put in a little box. It's just a little box in the corner. It's like a little dimly lit restaurant. Pretty good touches. This is spicy cheese. This must be Chipotle. A dark box restaurant. Yup. Order up. Y'all gonna miss out. Nah, we good. We good. What the? Dang. Oh, it's not good.